Welcome back, loves. I am going to be reviewing today the Covergirl Simply A. You see, I knew it was Monday wasn't my only day. Tuesday's my day too. That's all I gotta say. Welcome back to my channel, love. I am going to be reviewing the Covergirl Simply Ageless 3-in-1 liquid foundation. This one is 225 buff beige. I thought this was like new. And when I started to research about it, it's been out for a good minute, and then I thought maybe what's new is that it's Covergirl and Olay. I love all of Olay. They are really great products. So I'm here like, oh, this is great, because this is good for us more mature women that have these beautiful, wonderful lines of happiness, that because as you age you obviously get happier, so you get more of them. So I think but it's been around for a while. I just noticed it now, so I said let me try it out. I did wear this on Sunday, and because I was going strawberry picking and I was going to the flea markets, so I was going to be out in the heat and all that stuff, so I wanted to see how it would do. And also I always like to try foundations with different powders, the setting powders, to see how each work with, because sometimes it works good with one and not with another, and you end up thinking I don't want this because you know what, it was horrible. So always give every product you have more than 2 tries. I give it 3 just for the heck of it, before I say unless the very first time is really bad, then sometimes I forget about it and I forget to do my own method of thinking, of trying. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it, and then I'm gonna talk about my thoughts on it, what happened on Sunday, and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's the foundation with 1 layer. I'm not gonna put too much because I don't like to cake it up or make it too thick. But I did apply a second one here because I have red spotting there, and it covered it up a little bit better. I don't like to go over the, like I said, happy lines that we get, because they just intensify more if you put too much. I did also get the Covergirl Advanced Radiance powder, setting powder, pressed powder. This is creamy natural. I got this. I'm going to use this on my face after I apply my concealer. My concealer, and I'm going to use Shape Tape today with my peach to help these stupid dark circles that I have. And then I am going to use the Fenty powder that I used in yesterday's video, because I want to see how it works with the Shape Tape. So basically I use this on my face and the Fenty on my eyes. Okay, so that blush was at first powdery, but very intense. That was Parrrrty by Tarte. Reason I chose this is because in our BoxyCharm we got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2, and I was gonna put this in a giveaway because I thought I already had it since I had this one. But this is actually Volume 1. I'm guessing the original. So there it is. So when I opened this one that I saw what was inside, I'm gonna lie, I saw Kathleen Lights talking about it, and she was like, I really love that pink in there. And I was like, pink? There's no pink in that one. And it's because it's in this one, which is different. There's some colors that are similar. Maybe the sheen colors. Actually, these are all sheen. Yeah, these are pretty much all sheen except maybe that one. But there they are. Oh. You know when you try to hold up and you're like, which way, which way? So I'm going to use both of them. And I'm going to see how this one works because she did such a beautiful look with it that I was like, oh, wow. I mean, I'm not going to copy hers, but it'll probably look similar because the colors are similar. So let's go ahead and tackle this and put this on my eyes. Okay, I don't know about this. You know, there was a reason why I didn't reach out for these too much. I have another one. I got the name, and I see you though. I'll show you at the end. I have another one that I feel like it's a lot better. Like the pigment on these are not that good. Am I the only one? If you guys know a trick on how to make these better, by all means, let me know. But I am gonna try that pink she was talking about because now I'm kind of curious. This one does, the volume 2, have a little bit more pigment than the, what I'm guessing is, no, this is volume 2. What the heck? Am I losing it? It says Rainforest of the Sea volume 2, Rainforest of the Sea. Guys, am I nuts? How are these the same volume but such different colors? Yeah, someone needs to explain. Tarte, you need to explain. Okay, let's go ahead and go into this pink and see how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to use a highlighter from one of these palettes, but the one that I was talking about was this one that is called Make Believe in Yourself. that one. And these smell good. These smell real good. This one has like a highlighter that's a little bit too white. It kind of iridescent. It turns colors. So since I'm in the, you know, bronzy earth tone colors, I'm going to go ahead and use this one, which is right here. And let me see if they have names. Yes, they do. Okay. I want to say it's Happiest Hour. Yep. And the blush in the middle was called Glam, but I went with Party. So let's try this out. Let's try this out. These two I like a little bit better than this. I don't know what the heck happened with this formula of these. Well, this volume 2, the newest one that came in, much better than that other one I got. Wow, and that's without putting setting spray. Let's put some setting spray now and see how it does. Melt. Okay, so here is the finished look. Lashes definitely do make a look. And these are definitely something else. I think that's why they're called Diva. Yep, Diva. Okay, guys, so I put a little bit of the same highlighter I used from the Tarte palette in my inner corner. I used the Tarte, what is it? Beach Babe on my lips. I outlined that with a Jordana lip liner in Rose Blush. I was gonna try out the Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick in Miami Fever, but I felt like it was you know, these are like pinks and browns, so I wasn't gonna go. Now this is not about the look. This is definitely all about the foundation, and my thoughts on the foundation are as follows. On Sunday I wore it all day. It wore really good. I actually have no bad feelings towards it. It worked really good. Is it something that is perfect for when you have a lot of, like I said, happy mature lines? No, there is no such foundation that is always going to keep you flawless. But if you can find ones that don't embed themselves into your beautiful, happy, mature lines, then by all means, that's what we go for. So I tried this out with the Fenty primer this time. On Sunday, I used the Tatcha primer. What is the name of this? The Silk Canvas. And I'm going to see how this wears and throughout the day with this primer. I can see my pores more than with the Tatcha, but it's not horrible. I used the Shape Tape with the Fenty setting powder in Lavender. Do I see much of a difference from the other one? Not really. I have bad circles. I am still trying to find something that can help that out. It might never happen, so I just settle with what I have, no problems. But overall, I actually liked it. I'm definitely gonna reach for it. It's, for me, I feel like it's a perfect color. I am whiter now than when I was during the summer. Obviously, I think we all are. So other than that, it's a perfect color. Definitely gonna keep using it. Like I said, the Tarte, that old volume 2, this one with the tree, no. This one was much better, much better. And the other two that I showed you are pretty good. Other than that, this is my look, and this is my thoughts on this. So if you guys are looking for something that is more affordable, I think this was $13.99. Actually, I bought it in CVS, so it was more. It was 15 something, and I noticed on the website it was $13.99. So it's like, really? CVS, talk about hiking that sucker up. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to definitely be doing a video on my collection and my beauty room. I'm waiting on some things that get here today so I could set it up a little bit more. So since everybody pretty much has been answering yes, I want to see it, I'm like, yay, awesome, because I love watching people's makeup collections. I love it. I love it. It's like a little fun time for me. It's like, oh, you got that? Oh, you got that? Oh, I got that too. But other than that, any other suggestions, by all means, leave them. I have a few different videos coming up. I'm just going to be filming this week. My anniversary is in a week and a half, almost 2, so I want to get everything situated. And so when we go away and I don't have to worry about it because everything will be ready for uploading. So I hope everybody's having a wonderful beginning of the week. It's Tuesday right now for me. This you'll see later on. But I hope you have a great rest of your week, and that's it. I don't got anything more to say, and I'm sure when I shut this down, I'm going to think of 500 things that I did not say, because, hey, that's life. So you guys take care. Please don't forget to hit like. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you are notified when I upload another video. And you can watch my fun, silly self. Alright, guys, you all take care. I don't know why it buries itself into my chest. Freaking bra is horrible. Horrible.